Hi, my name is Hope and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unbagging Jeffree Stars' new mystery bags, and I got the pink one. Before I do, please remember to like and subscribe. First up is this jelly bracelet. Then we have an exclusive bead proof eyeliner in Cool Down. We have a Supreme Gloss in Improper. We have the Gloss, which is another exclusive, I think, in Pink Jacuzzi. We have a eyegloss in Frozen Fire. I want to say I got that one last time, I'm not sure. And then we have individual and open range and owl eyes, which I also have a bunch of, I think. Okay, and then we have some liquid star shadow in Scorpio Sand. We have more individuals in Weirdo and Glamour Shots. We have more singles in Punkature and Wyoming. We also have a Hydrogen Glitz in Blue Balls. We have a skincare product, and it is the Creamy Star Milk Leave-On Mask. We have a pop socket. We have a Magic Candy blush in Candy Petals. And last but not least, we have a star mirror. And I think I've seen a couple of these. So I guess we could call these the mid-sized mirrors versus like the cat being, or the yak head being like gigantic, stars and the other ones being regular, and the mini mirrors for the ornaments. But this we call maybe the mid-size, or maybe even small, or the extra small. Anyways, that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching.